Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use paddle shifters in your Acura MDX. First, understand that paddle shifters give you manual control over your automatic transmission, allowing for quicker gear changes and a more engaging driving experience. You'll primarily use them in either D, Drive, or S, Sport mode, each offering a slightly different response. Knowing these modes is key to getting the most out of your MDX's performance. To upshift, simply pull the paddle on the right side of your steering wheel. You'll want to do this as your engine's revolutions per minute, or RPM, climb and approach the red line on your tachometer. Shifting into a higher gear is perfect for smooth acceleration, maintaining speed on highways, and improving your fuel efficiency. It helps keep your engine running optimally without over-revving. For downshifting, pull the paddle on the left side of your steering wheel. This is useful when you're approaching a corner and want to prepare for acceleration out of it, or when you need a quick burst of power. Downshifting also allows for engine braking, which helps slow your vehicle using the engine's resistance, reducing wear on your conventional brakes and offering more control, especially on declines. When using paddle shifters in D mode, your Acura MDX will typically revert to automatic shifting after a few seconds of consistent speed, or if you hold the plus paddle for 2 seconds. For a more sustained manual experience, engage S, Sport mode, which keeps you in manual control until you decide to switch back. This is great for spirited driving or when you want full command. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab your own little tree's black ice, plus other great deals to keep your car fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.